What's up guys, it's Plastic Team here. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to protect your Facebook account from hackers. Facebook is the #1 social networking site. In Facebook everyone shares status, images, videos, etc. It is also a place for business, money transaction, conference, etc. Every day more than 60,000 Facebook accounts have been hacked. They steal information about you and send harassing messages to your friends. In this post I'll show you how to protect your Facebook account from hackers. First things first, you need to keep a strong password. This is the most important thing that every user should take care of. Don't set your password as your phone number, parents name or date of birth, etc. If you set your password as your phone number, parents name, date of birth, etc., it will make your password weak and it will be very easy for the hackers to hack by guessing. A strong password must contain at least 8 digits with small letters like ABCD, small ABCD, and big letters like big ABCD, and special characters like exclamatory sign, at, hash, dollar, percentage, and star, etc. And in the second, set a very strong security question. Do you know that 80% of Facebook accounts have been hacked by the hackers by answering security questions? Most of the lazy people keep their name as security answer and the what is your name as the question, or parents name or nickname. This will make the hackers easily to hack your account. To set a security question, go to security and change your name and set a strong password. This won't work if you already set, because it will become invisible. If you are not set it, you can go to you can set it. And the third thing is you have to turn on secure browsing. Most of the browsers have secure browsing. In case you have a worse browser, then turn on the secure browsing. I'll show you how to turn on the secure browsing. Go to facebook.com and log in. And you can see already mine is with secure browsing. You can see this green color HTTPS, and go to account settings. By clicking this, you can go to account settings. Go to account settings and you can click the left security tab, and security tab is here in the left side. Click it. After clicking in, you can see secure browsing here. You can just click it and tick this one and save changes. You can click save changes and it will be secure browsing. And in the fourth, you have to turn on login notification. By turning on login notification, you will get a message when someone log into your other device. To turn on login devices, go to login notification, check both the boxes and then save changes. I'll show you how. After the secure browsing, you'll see second one, login notification. Click that and click both the boxes, check both the boxes. So whenever someone log in from other device, you'll get a message. It's asked for the password. I'll give it. It'll ask for the phone number, everything. Skip this. You can do that because you want to get messages. And in the fifth, don't fall for scams. Many scammers try to target Facebook. They try to scam each and every possible way to trap you to hack your account and earn lots of money. Note, most of the scams are remove Facebook timeline, check out who looked your profile, earn money in Facebook, etc, etc. A scam will look like this: who blocked your account in a friend list, click here, like this. So don't do that, because your account will be hacked by them by easily. Your password will be sent to their mail and they will make money, because if you have any businessical transaction or a conference, they can easily earn money, right? So don't go fall on scams. That's it guys. For more tutorials, please subscribe and don't forget to see my post in plasticteam.com. Don't worry, I'll drop the link in the description and it'll appear in the screen also. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share it with your friends and let your friends also protect their Facebook account from hackers. That's it guys, bye. To share it in Facebook, you can go to my blog and click here, Facebook, and share it in Facebook and share it in Twitter or mail your friends, etc. And the link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.